Do you want amazing sounding piano and electric piano sounds in your music productions? Do you want to be able to adjust the tone, add effects, and save your own piano and keys presets? Then stay tuned! Hey friends and music makers! My name is Mike, and I share my story and journey as a music maker and artist to inspire and motivate you. In this video, I will review Addictive Keys, which is an instrument plugin for piano sounds. But first, let's dive right into a sound demo of Addictive Keys so that you can get a feeling of what this plugin can do. You can listen to high quality and professional sound examples on the website of the developer, but here is my sound demo as an ordinary user. Alright, so what is Addictive Keys? Basically, it is a complete piano workstation where you can choose from professionally made presets or completely customize your own sounds. There are 4 modules you can get for Addictive Keys. The first module is called Modern Upright, which is a sampled Yamaha U3 upright piano. The second module is called Studio Grand, and it is sampled of a Steinway Model D grand piano. The third module is called Electric Grand and is sampled from a CP80 electric grand piano. And the fourth and final module is called Mark I, which is made from a Fender Rhodes Mark I stage piano. Now let's take a quick look at the user interface of Addictive Keys. So this is how it looks when you start it up, and you are on the Gallery tab where you can switch between your modules. I have the Studio Grand, the Modern Upright and Mark I, but I haven't yet bought Electric Grand. If you go to the upper left corner, you can choose your preset. If you click here, you will see all the presets of all modules, but you can also choose to filter only the module you want. The next tab, called Explore, can be a bit confusing at first, but let me show you how it works. So down here you see these little dots here. So basically you have 3 different versions per module. So now we are on the Studio Grand. We are actually in the Studio Grand producer presets. If I go to the next, I can also do that with the arrow here. We get to Studio Grand as recorded presets and then selections. and you have these three options for every module you have. And on the producer presets mode, you have access to these easy dials if you want to just do a small shift on the tone. The third tab is the edit mode, and here is where the fun starts, because you can actually shape the tone exactly how you want it by choosing microphones and microphone positions, adding effects and EQ to the individual microphones or on the master, as well as on the FX. So on the FX tab, the final tab, you can choose from Reverb, which basically is delay or reverb or a mix of both. So you can actually dial how much it turns into reverb and into delay. Alright, so that is a quick demonstration of the user interface, which I really think is beautiful, well designed and intuitive to use. Now I am going to share a list of my personal favorite things of Addictive keys. 1. The sound quality. It is simply amazing, and the room sounds and microphone options are very authentic. The overall sound just has that warm, organic feeling to it. 2. The user interface. The design is stunningly beautiful, which makes it a true pleasure to use. I mean, just look at it. But not only that, the user experience is well thought out. Everything feels intuitive, and I found it very easy to just dive in without reading the manual. And that's a huge plus in my book. 3. The control. Wow, you have so much control to customize your own piano sound. Here are some of the main tone shaping capabilities. Choose and mix different microphones and microphone positions. Add an EQ, chorus, tremolo per microphone. Add a phaser, EQ, compression or distortion to the master. There's an envelope for pitch, filter and volume, and even control for the pedal tone and noise. 4. The effects. You have access to delay and reverb, which you can mix into the individual microphones or add on the master. You can also shape the effects with EQ, and the overall sound is very good. But the most important thing to me is that you can have the complete piano sound, including effects saved into one custom preset. I personally love that. And 5. The load times. I don't know how they did it, but switching presets is lightning fast. No software is perfect, and I always keep my reviews honest, so here are the main things I would like to see improved in an upgrade. 1. Although the built-in effects sound good, I would like to see a more advanced delay effect and option for a convolution reverb with a range of spaces to choose from. 2. Since the plugin is already great for its sound shaping capabilities, I would very much like to see them add a couple of creative effects other than the standard ones that are included. Then this would become my go-to plugin for creative piano sound design for sure. Finally, I would like to see more presets than they include. Especially signature sounds from famous artists and producers would be cool. Alright, now here is my overall review of Addictive keys. 1. Sound and quality, 4.7 out of 5. 2. User interface, 4.8 out of 5. 3. Features and control, 4.6 out of 5. And 4. Inspiration factor, 4.5 out of 5. In conclusion, I really love this piano plugin, and it has actually become one of my go-to plugins for designing my custom piano tones. The sound is amazing, the control of the tone is very deep, and the interface is easy to use and beautiful and inspiring to work with. I give it my highest recommendation to music makers of all styles, especially if you like customizing your own piano tones. If you want to know more about Addictive keys, I will include a link to the developer in the description. I'm Mike, signing out, and you rock, my friends! Are you a music maker who wants to become successful with your music? Then join the Music Makers group on Facebook and meet and connect with fellow music makers on the same journey as you.